Hello investors, welcome to EPSMomentum and welcome to today's one stock in 1 minute. Today we will be reviewing Google. Let's start with chart. On the chart we can see that the earning momentum for last quarter is 18, which is a good sign for the stock. Also, as you can see, the earning momentum for the last 4 quarters is positive, and as the earning momentum changed from negative to positive, stock price also changed to a positive direction. On the chart we can also see that the timing momentum is positive 7.8 and the timing bias is negative, which is minus 3.5, and the market score is 0.1. As we look into signals, we can see that the most of the filters are giving us red signal right now. On the matrix we can see that the sales increased from 31,603 to 5,951, which is an increase of 61%, and there is an acceleration of 25.93%. On EPS we can see that the EPS increased from 10.13 to 27.26, which is a big change of 169%, and there is an acceleration of 2.74%. On post-earning announcement drift, we are on drift D. As we look into drift, we can see that the stock price is currently trading around the average price of the drift, which is 2,704. As the quarter goes on, we can expect that the stock price may trade between 2,718, which is the average price, to a max average of 3,131, and the minimum average for current drift is 2,324. On revisions, we can see that our revision score is increased by 10% from last week, which is a good sign for the stock, as the Wall Street investors are thinking positive about the stock. So that's it for today, guys. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Please visit us at EPSMomentum.com. You can sign up for free.